Dear friends, welcome back to our channel Facts of Interview Skills. I am Dr. Malarav. Today we are going to see the topic ratio and proportion. Let's see the problem. See, the first question is A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. B is to C is 4 is to 3. And C is to D is 2 is to 5. Right? Question is, what is A is to D? There is a simple trick to find out the answer for this problem. You just write it down like A, B, C, D. Okay, what is A is to B? 2 is to 3. Write it down. What is B is to C? 4 is to 3. Write it down. What is C is to D? 2 is to 5. Write it down. Okay, there is a gap here, right? You just fill the gap by taking the nearest number. For this row, the nearest number is 3, right? You just fill it by number 3. Here, the nearest number is 4, right? Just write it down, 4. See, here, the nearest number is 2. Write 2, okay? Now all 3 rows, here 3. All 3 rows got filled, right? You just fill the gap by taking the nearest number. Now multiply the number. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 into 2 is 16. 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 2 is 24. 3 into 3 is 9. 9 into 2, 18. 3 into 3, 9, 9, 5 are 45. We got the A is to B is to C is to D number. Now what is the question? What is A is to D, right? What is the value of A? We want to find A is to D. The value of A is 16, right? The value of D is 45, right? Then the answer is 16 is to 45. Okay? Okay. Next we see the another problem. Here A is to B is 2 is to 3. B is to C is what? 5 is to 4. They are asking what is A is to B is to C. Do the same method for this problem also. Now write it down, A, B, C. A is to B is 2 is to 3. B is to C is 5 is to 4. Now we can fill the gap. How can we fill the gap? By taking the nearest number. Here the nearest number is 3. Here the nearest number is 5. Right? 5 is there, so we have to put this 5 in the gap. Here 3 is the nearest number. Just multiply the number. 2 into 5, 10. 3 into 5 is 15. 3 into 4 is 12. What is the question? A is to B is to C. So A is to B is to C is 10 is to 15 is to 12. We got the answer. Okay friends, thanks for watching. See you in another video. Thanks. Bye.